Come aboard the Azamara pursuit for a memorable 13-night journey. Uncover Iceland's natural beauty and breathtaking landscapes as you set sail from Copenhagen to cruise along the Icelandic coast. Visit colourful fishing villages and discover the cultural capital of Reykjavik. Watch for magnificent wildlife and revel at a coastline marked by ancient glaciers. We'll take you into the heart of Iceland, revealing the island's stunning landscapes and compelling culture and history. Plus, by spending extra time in select ports, you can explore, discover, and linger to cultivate a truly wonderful experience. While on board your mid-sized ship, enjoy excellent service, deluxe accommodations, and an extensive gourmet meal program with 6 dining venues. Plus, personalize your cruise with a varied menu of exciting optional excursions. Throughout this incredible journey, you'll be in the care of a seasoned travel director who handles all logistics, allowing you to thoroughly enjoy your destination. And our expert guides and local speakers will make the region's unique history and culture come to life. Plus, all of our trips feature free time, so you can strike off on your own and make new discoveries. It's time to dust off your dreams and explore. Call now to reserve your place on this one-of-a-kind adventure.